Alright, well, we're handheld using the vlogger handle, and I'll tell you one thing. There's a lot of shortages in this world. Things are running out everywhere. And you know what ran out? Me having shits to give for this horrible Ikea drawer terrorist. Yeah, the damn drawer is broken again. The bottoms fall out of these things more than poop falls out of my butt. This is horrible. We need a solution. And in this workbench, you know, we shop while we build. And last night, yeah, we made a couple of online purchases. We've gotten ourselves a new hobby cabinet. Yeah, light-duty hobby cabinet. Husky 42-inch, 10-drawer mobile workbench with solid wood top. Solid wood. That's solid wood like jumbo shrimp, man. That stuff, it's probably garbage. We're not going to use it really as a workbench. However, we can paint tank tracks on this long top. And like anything else, I did the maths. And that is too tall to fit under there. And it's too wide to fit between these brackets. That one's got to move. Okay, so we got to move that bracket. We got to make this shorter. But we still want it to roll. So, we hop on over to our other slingers of Chinesium. Not Harbor Fraught, but there we go. Northern Tool and Equipment, located in the south. Ironic? Yeah, a little bit. Just having the name Northern Tool. We've got these 600-pound steel, 3-inch wheeled, 4-inch total height, little thingy bobbers. And they'll probably fit, because these are from China. This is from China. If it's one thing China does, they just make a lot of same. So the rollers under this red Husky thing, we don't like Husky. We prefer English Bulldogs to Huskies, but Bulldog brand, I'm sure there is one. It's probably $5,000. They're 6.5 inches tall from the floor to the bottom of the box. So we're going to shave 2.5 inches off the total height of this guy, and she will sneak right under there with no problems whatsoever. So what we're going to do is, this is very heavy. I may hurt my back, but I'm going to be very careful. I told my wife to listen for screaming just in case. We're going to engage the safety squints, mother-in-law and speed dial, all the good stuff that AV says. And let's see how this goes. We'll be back. What did I say? China! The land of guaranteed compatibility. Because every Tom, Dick, and Harry copies each other anyway. So we're going from this to this. And instead of 2 swivels, we're going to have 4 swivels. There'll be no brake on here, but it's just going to sit under the workbench. But look at that. We need to pull her out to do something on the top. Look at those. Honestly, these wheels kind of suck. They're not great either, but they're better. And honestly, I think these are actually, these will hold more weight. These are rated at 600 pounds each. And as far as I'm aware, again, correct me if I'm wrong, people. As far as I'm aware, the amount of wheels combined together dictate the total load capacity of the toolbox. And this is like a 1,200 pound, yeah, like a 1,200 pound capacity toolbox. So these wheels likely support 300 pounds each. And combined, they hold 1,200 pounds. These support 600 each. Combined, you know the math, yeah, 2,400 pounds, possibly. So we could load this with a ton of crap, quite literally. And there we go. We're going to get these bolted on. We're going to drop this down on the floor. I'm super happy this whole bolt pattern. I just guessed, I winged it, and I was right. I didn't wait to get these and then bring one to the store like smarter people on YouTube do, that plan things out better, that aren't as impulsive. Yeah, this was definitely an impulse purchase, but it's necessary to keep me sane. And by watching my videos, you probably wonder if that's really enough. It's probably not. Either way, I'll get these wheels on, we'll drop this thing down, get it all together, and then I got to do some surgery to that bracket bolted to the cinder blocks and move her over a bit. But yeah, we'll be back. We're slumming it tonight, guys. The fancy new multi-speed Makita zip gun is slumming it wearing a pair of Husky sneakers and putting together a Husky box. Interesting how I had those bits handy for that, but there we go. Makes quick work of her. I love this. There we go. A couple of Ugga Duggas of the zippity zip gun, and The fields are on! It's ready to roll! Okay, we'll be right back. Guys, just say no to Ikea. Don't buy this garbage. Look at this. Okay, so, yeah, you know, piece of junk, not full extension drawers. Yeah. What's back here? I don't freaking know ever. This, I'm still emptying out drawers. That's the one that just collapsed the other day. I got some more junk to get out of here. Yeah. Oh, Verlinden, hello. Goodbye. Anyone want some casters? 6.5 inches tall. Free. You pay the shipping. These are kind of heavy. There we go. There she is. Freed up a bunch of space on the workbench. No more spray cans on the workbench. Oh, so much nicer. Look at that. And you could put real tools in here. You know, you could put your impact drivers, your drill, your better drill, the best drill. Hello. You are so adorable. Go back to sleep. Got like long bits. They can go in this big long drawer up top. And then here, there's some, yeah, sorted tools. Nice. Lays out. And then, oh yes, the overflow paint. That also crushed a drawer. And all the little glass jars. Ah, look at that. These trays fit perfect. And now I can actually get to the back compartments. How nice is that? All the drawers have liners. They're all soft close. The thing overall, on the sketchiness factor of Chinesium toolboxes, it rates pretty well. I'll give it a B- for Chinesium. Soft close. All the spray cans and the tall primer cans fit in that guy. Oh, did I kick something over? No, look. The soft close kind of keeps the hands from... Oh, she does roll. And these drawers got a bit of a tug. I don't know what I'm putting in this giant, deep one. I'll figure something out. And just some more, you know, our digital calipers, some more... Wait, I'm just filling up drawers for the video. Hey, look here. Normal tools in a drawer. Ooh, my green beauties. My precious. Oh. And some, you know, markers and Gundam markers and stuff. Not bad. It's got a wood top on it. Our camera mount blocks it from rolling out, but we're really, if ever, going to need to roll this thing out. We moved our bracket over, and of course my thumb hit stop, because I'm not used to using the stupid blogger handle, because I'm a vlogger. But yeah, there we go. That's it. She's nice. She's scooched right under the workbench, and she's actually a wee bit shallower. Yeah, so we got some more knee room under here. She's a wee bit shallower, but the drawers are entirely more usable. And they have liners, and they're soft close. Things don't slide around anymore. Ah, winning. Yeah, okay. It's amazing what a few $100 and an empty 4Runner can do for you. Oh, this thing was pretty heavy. For one of the cheapest 41, 42, whatever the hell size this thing was, inch rolling workstation, tool chest, whatever the tool guys know exactly. It was surprisingly weighty, which I think they just made it heavy to make it feel more better. But more better is very subjective sometimes. Either way, that's it. We've got our new storage area under the workbench. Life can now continue. My OCD has been satiated. Adios, everybody. See you next time.